让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this month, Alice, we're teaching you the phrase, or teaching our listeners the phrase, 怎么办? What should I do? 哎呀，怎么办？有的时候是很急的时候，
对啊，
有的时候是芝麻小事的东西啦。
对呀，
我们都教好了。
OK。
怎么说呢？怎么办？
勇敢伞，
勇敢伞，
然后要很紧张，勇敢伞，勇敢伞。
我跟你讲，最紧张的时候，尤其为人父母啊，小孩走丢的时候，那个心急如焚啊。对啊，
去人多的地方，小孩一定要牵好，
一定要牵好。对 ，Let's say you lost your kid in the crowd and you can't find him or can't find her. What should I do? You know, okay, let's put you in this scenario. 好，你怎么那么慌张啊 ？Why are you so nervous?
用板按紧总，
用板按紧总，按紧总是。
那么紧张，
紧总就是紧张，对不对？紧总 means nervous. Okay, why are you so stressed out? All right, I lost my kid. What should I do? 我的小孩走丢了，怎么办？
嗌嘅聲音呢？
嗌嘅聲音誒，
衝走誒，
衝走誒。
勇敢伞，
勇敢伞就怎么办了哈 ？That's the ending phrase. What should I do? But 走丢，你说是
冲走哎，
冲走哎，好像被冲走了那种感觉哦。My goodness，
不见了。
Yeah, that means I lost someone in the crowd. I lost him or her. OK， 那小孩就是声音哎 ，right？ That's 小孩子的意思。那我跟你讲，真的，当然赶快这1分钟赶快去找，但是如果真的找不到啊，一定要报警了。
报警咯
！If you can't find your kid immediately, of course you should call the police. All right. 先赶快报警处理咯。
先急急报警处理。
先急急报警处理。处理当然是处理了。
处理
报警嘛，报警。警 is the police, okay? 报 means to report to the police. 然后赶快这个。
先急急
就是快，我们以前有教过嘛，哈。
对。
听起来就很急啊，然后又要那个怎么办那样子。
对，那海陆腔的先赶快，我们会说先急急。
哦，先急急 that's a different dialect for hurry up. All right, let's hope you don't get into this situation, but let's review some of these phrases, such as 慌张 nervous, 紧张, and then 走丢 lost someone,
冲走诶
okay, and finally report to the police 报警报警 that's report to the police. All right, so again, be calm. If you really lost someone, 要慢慢去寻找，那不行的话 report to the police, and let's hope this never happens to you. Keep your kids around. All right, that does it for today. Let's talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
什么大家？
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.